Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the Moxa box. This is a 2-stick box. They have 4 sticks, they have 6 sticks, right? So, and it comes like this. This holds the sticks in there. Underneath there is a 1-inch space with mesh. So that ash can't fall on the body. You don't have to hold the sticks over the body. And this actually comes with a strap too if you wanted. You can strap it on your head. Doing the points on the head is really good for prolapse of all things. So I'm going to show you how this works real quick. I've got 2 sticks here. If you're going to light a lot of sticks or you don't have matches, I recommend you light a candle and then you hold the sticks over the candle. So I light them and you blow on them and you see the coal, and you want to make sure that they're very well lit before you put them in the box, or they could go out while you're in the box. And then you won't know why it's working. So that one's lit. Light one more. This is a better grade Moxa, and I can tell it's heavier and it might take a little bit longer to light. So the stick I just had in my hand, it's a little more looser packed. Okay, this one's lighting pretty good. All right, so there you go. So watch. All right, so I'm gonna stick them in here. Let me just show you. It looks like that. Put that in there. I'm gonna push them down so that I could see that they're not pressing on the mesh, but they are close. And that's it. Now you just set that on the belly. So like for mother roasting, you're gonna put this, or any postpartum treatment or any treatment for the belly, this is what I love. You can just set this on the body, and then when you want the skin to be red and pink and toasty, and then you could just move it up, move it up, move it around. If it gets too hot, you can just move it back. This is also perfect if you want to moxie your back and you're alone, or you don't want to hold the sticks. You can just lay on your belly, and then you can place this on. And again, with the mother roasting, you want to do the sacrum really well, all the way up to the bottom of the ribs along the spine. So L2, L3, around the kidneys, very, very important. And I can feel it's getting warm already. All right. Bye for now.